Basic Aquarius concepts. So we're going to talk about the Aquarius whiteboard, we're going to talk about the toolboxes in general, and also the wires that come in and out of these toolboxes. So the Aquarius whiteboard is basically the area or foundation of where all these toolboxes and wires sit upon. So once we save that kind of whiteboard area, we're saving that entire data and toolboxes that we used within that environment, and that can be saved and sent to colleagues for sharing, for approvals, for reviews, and so on. So if I open up an example just now, we can see that we've got some turbidity data that's been imported into Aquarius using the import from file toolbox, and this data, this turbidity data, has been piped along into threshold flagging toolbox, into signal trimming, and so on and so forth. And each one of these toolboxes can be entered, double-clicked and entered, and set up with its own features and functionalities. Now, another thing to kind of touch upon is the colors of these wires. We've got time series data in this case, which is represented as olive green colors. And there's also the ability to import discrete samples, which will be orange wires, and rating measurements too, which are the blue wires, and not to forget the grey wires, which are the rating point lists as well, which plugs into the rating development toolbox. Now, all of these different types of data can be plugged into toolboxes and back out again, depending on the color coding, kind of matching of those colors within each of these toolboxes. The last thing to kind of cover is the ability to save the whiteboards themselves, and all of the data that you process on the whiteboard can be saved. And if you go to File and Save As, you can save that entire whiteboard and send it to another Aquarius user for sharing, approving, and reviewing that data. And that concludes the basic concepts of the Aquarius whiteboard.